Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Okay, I have the bootloader unlocked currently and I will be locking it. In order to do it, go to Settings and scroll all the way down. Go to About Phone and find Software Information. Now click on build number 7 times. I'm already a developer, but if you clicked on 7 times, you may need to enter your password to the phone if you have it set, and now go back to the main page. Now go to developer options and you'll find OEM Unlocking. It should be grayed out and enabled. That means your bootloader is currently unlocked and we'll be locking it. Now, if you don't see this option, you're not connected to Wi-Fi. You should connect to Wi-Fi, restart your phone, and go back to developer options. Now you'll see OEM Unlocking grayed out and enabled. If we have that, now we can try to lock the bootloader. In order to do it, first shut down your phone by pressing and holding on power and volume down. Now tap on power off and tap on it again. Wait for a moment. Now get a cable ready. It can be plugged into a charger or a computer. I would recommend a computer because it always works with a computer and not always with a charger. And you don't need to do anything on the computer. It's just there as a protection so you don't do it accidentally in your pocket, for example. Have your cable already plugged into the computer or charger, not yet to the phone. We'll plug it into the phone shortly. First, you'll need to start pressing and holding on volume up and volume down at the same time, and in the meantime, plug in the cable that's already plugged into something. Now, if nothing shows up on the screen after a moment, start pressing and holding on the power button as well. Now you'll see this screen. Press and hold on volume up. When the screen goes off, release the button, and now it's gonna ask you whether you want to lock bootloader. If you wanna lock it, click on yes, which is the volume up, and now the phone will reset. All the data will be erased. You can unplug the cable already if you want. You can see it is erasing. It will take a moment, the phone will restart, it may take a few minutes, so I'm just gonna get back to you when it's done. Okay, I think it is done, yes, and we can go quickly through the setup just to do one last thing, which isn't necessary but it's worth doing, so I'm just gonna quickly set the language, go through everything. It's worth connecting to Wi-Fi because it's needed. Of course. So I'm gonna connect, I'm gonna go through the setup, I'm gonna skip everything like the Google account and stuff. Now the phone is set up, let's go to the settings, let's go to About Phone, scroll down to Software Information, and now click on build number 7 times, go back, and let's go to Developer Options. You can see OEM Unlocking is now not grayed out. Let's just disable it and restart the phone by pressing and holding on power and volume down. Tap on restart again, and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.